This soup looks simple, but don't underestimate it. Because when insulin stays high, the body stores fat instead of burning it, and that's why your dinner choice matters more than you think. This bowl is designed to be light, high protein, and insulin friendly. I've heated a pan and added a little oil. First goes in whole black pepper to gently stimulate digestion and wake up the flavors. Garlic cloves, they support metabolism and add a warm depth to the soup. Now onion goes in, not just for taste, but to build a natural base that makes the soup satisfying. Carrot is added next. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, it keeps the soup light and gentle on blood sugar. Now beetroot. This adds natural sweetness, supports blood flow, and gives the soup its beautiful pink color. Tomato goes in last to balance flavors and add natural acidity without needing anything extra. Everything is lightly sautéed, just until the aromas come together. No heavy cooking here. Now comes the most important part, the protein. I'm adding soaked lentil to make this soup filling, balanced, and insulin-friendly. Protein slows sugar absorption and keeps you full longer. This step makes all the difference. Now add water, just enough to cook everything gently. Cover it and let it come to a soft boil. Once it starts boiling, give it a gentle stir in between, so flavors blend beautifully. Let this cook calmly, because slow cooking keeps nutrients intact. Once the vegetables are soft, turn off the flame and let everything cool slightly. Now blend it into a smooth soup. Back into the same pan it goes. Salt is added at the end, so flavors stay balanced and the soup doesn't release excess water. Finally, a little lemon juice to brighten the soup and support digestion. This high-protein carrot beet soup is gentle on digestion and supportive for insulin balance. Best enjoyed at night as a light dinner. It keeps you full, reduces cravings, and helps avoid insulin spikes. Perfect for weight loss, PCOS, and anyone looking for nourishing comfort food. Simple ingredients, smart cooking, and one warm bowl can truly make a difference. Try it and let me know. Follow Rach-Cooking for more real, simple, and delicious healthy recipes.